Thank you. Oh, this one. Okay. Hi guys, this is Ala. Honestly, I don't know what to say, how to do this video. But this is to give thanks to those people who gave me this chance. It's very, okay guys, again, I will show you this thing. Again, I really don't know what to say. This is it. I don't think it's I felt they trust and thank you so much for giving me this chance again to have this precious gift. I really don't expect this. So, let's open up the scissors. Careful, listen to the scissors. There's some kids. Careful, listen. This is that's nice. I'm so excited. This is I saw the card. There's a card. There's a message coming from those people who gave this thing to me. Again, I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. Having you. This is the gift. This is the whole. Nice. So, we need to pick up this box. Here's your gift. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. Oh, so later we'll do this. Okay. Let's put this next on the side. We're gonna find a ribbon here. Oh, like this. And finally, oh, the minutes. On the back again. And it's done. The wrapping. The sticker says less packaging, more style. I don't want to deal with the original packaging. I want to say this wrapping is for something else. So let us try to open it carefully. Okay, it's so sticky. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Are you guys excited? Me too. my last one. Alright, this is it. So now we're gonna open the wrapping. I'm gonna unbox this one. Oopsie! Alright! Yeah, guys. Have you seen the brand name of this? Yes, this is a sound card. Diba? Uno sound card. See? Thank you so much. I'm speechless. I don't know how to say it. I'll go with this. There we go. This one. Some tips how to charge it, how to connect it with the iPhone or how to connect it compatible with iPhone or iPad. So, ayun, it's happening, other than the customer or customer. This one is instruction how to connect it, how to assemble it. And this one. Protection, and this is the best this is the final thing. This is the unit. Wow, this guys, like this. I don't know, it's bigger than the one we eat some card. It's double the size. We have this. Okay, I'm going to show you. Says the audio cable, and the other one is USB-C cable, cable, the cord for the mic, and also this one for protection for the next one. And now, I'm wrapping this. We're done, and I think this is the end of this video for now. And the next video we're gonna make is how to assemble it and of course to test it, how to use it also because I'm not kind of dry. I'm so happy for this. Again, I would like to thank to those people who gave this to me. By the way, this envelope says I need to open this envelope after unwrapping the gift. So now I will open the gift and I will read the message to you guys. Okay, this is a gift for you, and the message says, to our dearest Ella, enjoy your gift from Tito Steve and Tita Marie. Okay, Tita Marie and Tito Steve is all the way from Canada. They are always there to support my live stream, and they are giving me always inspirational message how I continue how to be dedicated for what I'm doing, and thanks God for giving us a chance to meet Tito and Tita Marie. And I really don't know how to say thank you for them for giving me this chance. Again, Tito and Tita Marie, thank you so much. I hope I can continue what you expected, what you expected for me to continue my live streaming, my YouTube career, and I will promise you that I will stay the same no matter what happened. Still Ella, I'm the Ella we meet online, only on a visual, and hope one day we can meet each other and finally give a hug and kiss to thank you and give respect for giving me hope that I can do an impossible dream like this one, to have this expensive thing. And no more drama. Thank you so much again to Steve and Tita Marie for giving me this birthday gift. And that's all, guys. I think I'm making this video longer. So again, thank you so much to all of you guys for trusting me, and I will promise I will try my best to give you to entertain and be your friend here in YouTube. Again, thank you so much, guys. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much. Ella, you all.